video. This video is on due date. Due date. What do you mean by due date? Say suppose I have in sprint planning meeting, we create a new sprint, and in this new sprint, suppose we assign 4 user stories. So in these 4 user stories, need not be that all the user stories should be finished in one date only. So one can be finished in 1 day, one can be finished in 3 days, one can be finished in 4 days. Appropriately, it can go to QA and QA can pick it up. So I want to add the due dates for every user story. Say suppose I will create one sprint, new sprint. So this sprint will be from edit sprint 2 weeks. This sprint can be from 16th of February. Now I will test the footer in this sprint. I'll test the order flow in this sprint. I'll test the main top section. I'll test the main bottom section. These 4 user stories I will be testing it. Now if I go to this and I will see that whether my due date is visible or not. So details, more fields. So there is no due date. Now what I will do is I'll just go to my project. I'll go to project settings. I'll go to types. I'll go to story. So here I can configure any type of field. So you can not able to see due date. What I'll do is I'll do select field here, due date. So now the due date is added. Now what I'll go is I'll again go to this section. I will again open this EA9, and now I can see the due date here. So what I'll do is this is the active sprint. So here I want to see the due date as well. So EA5. So let's go to EA5. So this is the EA5 user story. Say suppose I will put the due date as 6th. Okay. Now I will go to this ecom sprint 1 again. Here I am easily able to see the due date as 6th February. So what will happen is when I will create a due date in any of the user story while planning the sprint, it will help me in the long run, so that in every sprint when I am in the daily sprint meeting, I will open this sprint board and I will easily see that okay, this was the due date for this user story was 6th Feb. Today is already 6th Feb, or today is 7th Feb, or today is 5th Feb. Why it is not completed yet, and we can have a healthy discussion on the same. So this due date helps in keeping tracking of all the stories, bugs, tasks, any other thing from anyone. Hope this guys help you. Hope this video helped you. So guys, I am really making these videos of free of cost, for which many of the rupees are charged in the market. I just want your help by liking and subscribing it. Please support my channel. Thank you guys.